H302 plant-based survival. Also, seamoss big boss. I'm a seamoss provider. And Twalk, he's a real big impact, positive impact on my life. Him and Dr. Saban. And Dick Gregory as well. Them three. All the sources I learned from them three helped me lose 200 pounds. Look at me. Do I look like I was 340, 370? Y'all might say no. But Twalk the reason why that I sell seed moss, and he's the reason why I lost 200 pounds. And the hell, he the reason why I'm vegan. He the reason why I'm gluten. I don't mess with no gluten. You know, non-GMO.
So I've been doing the 30-day detox, and my results have been insane. It wasn't even a full 2 weeks on the detox, and the weight loss was significant. And not just my physical appearance, that wasn't the only thing that's changed. I'm only on week 3, and I have way more energy than I've ever had before. And not only that, but I have suffered from a lot of pain in my body, like back pain, joint pain, and I just thought it was from my physically demanding job. But once I started this detox, I've had no pain, and like I said, I'm on week 3, and I still have yet to experience any more pain in my body. So this has been well worth it, and I encourage anyone to do it.
Now you're down 265. Whole other person.
Hey,
this is a real person. Man. Go ahead, I'll let you talk.
I tell everybody what's up. My boy Twalk is the truth, man. Like, look at me, bro. Like
the neck back.
You know what I'm saying, bro? I got a whole neck out here, bro.
Comments and cut started off at what, 614 pounds,
man.
Right?
Just felt like I was about to die, bro. Like, right now I'm at 324. And man, y'all have to make the move. He can't force you to do it. The attitudes you have toward life will change. Like, man is teaching you, he's giving you the gems for life.
Tell him your blood pressure.
I was at 165 or 142. I was a walking
dangerous
stroke.
levels,
Man.
Right?
I was a walking stroke. I just lost my brother less than 2 weeks ago from a stroke. This man will guide you and lead you to the mountaintop. I'm telling you, I feel like I'm a whole new person, man.
So in the 45 days, do you know what like your starting weight was versus what it is now? Like, have you lost weight during the process?
Yeah, so it was 210, and I'm at one. You know what? Let me step on the scale right here. It's right here. Okay, so it's got me at 176, 177.
Oh wow, so you down about 35 pounds or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, so congrats on that. So that's good. And I would say for you, I don't know if you had an ideal weight in mind, but really it sounds like for you, you don't need to worry, as you mentioned, you're not worried about the scale because you're more worried about how your body looks. So continue.
How's it going? Shanti Roberts. I was 204 pounds as a 26-year-old male. Not the best confidence builder. Get on Instagram. I find this man TwalkDaHulk. In about 3 months, 50 pounds slides right off my body. I need to check him out. Cleaning you internally, externally. Let's go. This guy helped me lose so much weight in the littlest time. It's not a joke. It's so real. If you want to change your life right now, hop over there, man. TwalkDaHulk, you guys. From 204 to 159, actually. Last night was 160. I'm 159 this morning.
And he's about in the 250s now.
Okay.
And he's like,
so he lost like 30 pounds?
Real good, right, doing real good. Like
Perfect.
To the point where he be telling me about you, like, oh, did you see Twalk? He was live. I be like, no, I missed it. How you missed it? That's your boy. And I'm like, stop that.
He like, I got this 30 off. I know I'm running stuff now.
Right. We was cracking up at your the ladies this afternoon. It was so funny about the watermelon on your arm.
Oh yeah. I was in my, sometimes I have comedy hour.
Right. That's exactly what it was. that I had felt in a long time. So my doctor called me, I want to say about a week and a half ago, checking in on my blood pressure. And I'm like, well, I haven't been taking blood pressure, but I've been feeling amazing. Like I started this new journey. And so it has to be doing amazing. No headaches, no nothing. Like I'm feeling great.
So you stopped taking the blood pressure medication and you started feeling better, you're saying?
Yes, I did stop the medication. Like I said, I was feeling great.
Hi, my name is April, and I just want to share my experience with T's amazing holistic university. The program definitely helped me. I've been on it for a little less than a month, and I have primary bilateral cholangitis. My alkaline phosphorus in mid-December was 366, and I just took blood work and it's down to 269. He gives us a guideline to follow. It's only $30 a month. We waste money on stupid shit. So I feel like to save my own life and to make me a better person mentally, you know, it teaches everything. But the best thing about it is he gives us a guideline to follow. He does weekly Zoom calls. There's a Telegram where if you have questions, you know, you could put your questions in there. He gets back to you in a timely manner. I can't thank him enough for helping me, giving me a guide to help myself. You know, pretty soon, hopefully, my blood work will be perfect.
Back before all this and all the bundles and stuff, but I got close and I followed your protocol.
The C19 protocol?
Yeah, I'm not went away like 3 days. I felt fine.
Perfect. So in 3 days you was all cleared up, good to go.
Yeah. So people watching, if it happens, you know someone, follow Twalk's protocol for that. If you don't have, you should have it. And the detox works, people. I'm telling you the truth. I'm gonna do it again.
There you go. Yeah, it's that time. It's been a year. Let's get at it again. Lose another 15 if that's your goal. And
better with my asthma.
Okay, you're seeing improvement?
I sound like it right now only because me and my daughter was arguing, but.
So asthma's improving?
Yes, very much so.
Okay.
Less attacks, loving it. But I have a friend that.
The knowledge on health, but it's hard because they censor the truth. This is why I built my holistic university, where I give you a detailed breakdown for every single illness that you may be dealing with for all of the members. Yes, that means whatever you're dealing with, I'll make a protocol specifically for you once you're in there. And plus, you have weekly video consultations with me. Yes, you get all that plus way more for only $1 a day, $29.99 per month, plus way more. Click the link in my bio to join now or message me if you have questions. Just another herpes testimonial. Pay attention with the documents to prove it.
I want to get a shout out to you and your HSV protocol. I started it around 2 months ago. In that time frame, I've lost around 75 pounds. I've been only on fruits and veggies and getting my vaccine intake in. And my HSV numbers went from a 10 down to a 1.4. So I'm not at the 0.09 yet, but it's a dramatic increase in my book. So
you can see I wrote right back and asked if he could provide lab results because I know you all want to verify that my testimonials are real. So here you go. Any levels above 3.5 are considered a high positive. As you can see, he started at a level of 31. You can see his updated levels after following my HSV protocol, which is in my Holistic Health University, are now a 1.4, up from a 31. The goal is to get them below a 0.9, which is considered dormant in the body. Over 95% of people have HSV in our body, but it's dormant in our body because it hasn't been activated yet due to intercourse. This is one of the many HSV testimonials that I received from people simply following the herpes protocol, which is in my Holistic Health University. You can click the link in the bio to join, which also comes with mentorship from me for just $1 per day, $29.99 per month. You can imagine many people with this don't want to send in a video testimonial to reveal their identity, so you got to understand that.
I lost 40 pounds thanks to you, and I feel better, man. I got a lot of more energy. I ran across your page on my For You page. I couldn't never lose no weight. So when I found your page, like, you gave me a sense of urgency to continue on doing what I'm doing, but more stern at. I gravitated and resonated with your information better than I resonate with anybody else's information. I'm in a holistic health group, the $29.99 a month. I'm in a university. I'm in a Facebook group. Y'all accepted me yesterday. Man, you giving it away, right? You got protocols, modules, everything. Every disease, illness that you're dealing with.
And you're down 40
man, it took me 2.5 months.
How long did it take to lose the 40? 2 months, 40 pounds.
And I think I'm lying. You can go on my page and look at my page and see, like, I used to be 240 pounds.
How you feeling?
I have good news to share with everybody. 6 months ago, called me to the office. I'm like, oh man, you're pre-diabetic. So that I had diverticulosis and my colon and all that stuff. Blood pressure medication that you gave me is not really helping me. You know, this is where everything gets good. I reach out to you. You right away tell me in the Zoom meeting, like, you know, I told you my problems. I did the 30-day detox. But going to the bathroom and I became best friends, man. Let me tell you that. You know, I go back to my PCP. I got blood work done. Tells me, like, listen, George, you know, you're not pre-diabetic anymore. You're not pre-diabetic anymore. I will no longer take blood pressure medication, no cholesterol medication. I'm off of it. You know, no anxiety medication. No anxiety medication. Man, that's, you understand how relieved I feel, Twalk, to know that I don't have to take that, man, you know, because they're life changing. You know, so I just wanted to, you know, take a moment and thank you, Twalk, you know, honestly, because you know your stuff, bro. The protocols are helping me, bro. You're also helping my family, bro.
Facts.
You know, because
it's
amazing, bro. You know, it's amazing. You know, I'm gaining my life back once.
So, like in 2 months, you got off anxiety medication, cholesterol medication, blood pressure medication. You're going to the bathroom regularly now. You're not scared to leave the house without your PTSD pills.
I was 207 pounds, 177, no longer pre-diabetic.
That's a lot of work you put in.
Weight, 31 pounds. And I can breathe better, even though I never had asthma. But
been following Twalk for like 2 years. I've been watching this guy, man. Like, everything he says, it resonates with me. And I'm quite sure it resonates with you too. I joined Holistic University and started the detox. I'm going on my 4th week. After today, I'll be on my 4th week. I started off at 322. I'm down to 302. That's within 3 weeks, and I still got a week to go. So, man, I feel better. I'm sleeping better. You guys need to go get that detox and join that university. I'm telling you, it does wonders, and you guys have to do it. Some people be on the internet capping, but this dude ain't no cap. He the real deal. Everything he says is true. And I ain't saying that we always right, but he's trying to help people. And you guys need to go get this Holistic University and join. I'm telling you. And just don't do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Your family needs you to be here.
I am very grateful for the Holistic Health University and Twalk. I have done some blood work to check on my inflammation levels due to me having Crohn's disease and 2 stents in my heart. My inflammation levels have gone from a 20 down to a 10. I've been able to cut them in half in less than a month. I've started the juicing diet. I've stopped all the bad foods, chips, you name it, all the oils, anything that I was doing before, I've completely changed. And in less than a month, I've been able to see a drastic change in myself. I feel a lot better. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I have to read my testimonial. I'm not that great at this. I have been following TwalkDaHulk for 7 months around now and watching his videos and taking his advice. The results are that I've lost 42 pounds in about 6 months. My motivation was health concerns. Now my blood sugars are normal without insulin, and my blood pressure has decreased so that my medication was cut in half. The doctor said if all of his patients did the same thing, he would be out of a job. I lost 42 pounds, following TwalkDaHulk's advice. I'm here to say, he's the real deal. As you can see, I still have a ways to go, but I need to lose another 25 pounds. But I've come a long ways. Thanks, Twalk. Later.
I want to say shout out to my boy Twalk. Got me right, man. I was struggling as far as with a little anxiety, you know, issues, you feel me, with my central nervous system. Can't concentrate like that, always a little fidgety, you feel me, on edge. And I've been doing this the detox 30-day protocol, I want to say about 10 days now, 10 days, going on 10 days. And trying to do everything that's, you know, included in the protocol. And I must say, man, 2 weeks, man, big difference, big difference. Anxiety levels down. And I want to, you know, say I appreciate them, man, because it was big. I ain't know it's so, you know, I see results so fast, man. I just want to say shout out to Twalk, man. Appreciate you.
I wanted to give a shout out to TwalkDaHulk because I took your 30-day fruits and vegetables. I was 250 February 24th when I started. As of April 1st, I was down to 208. I lost 42 pounds just off of fruits and vegetables and minimum to none workout. So yeah, man, I feel better, more energized, more energetic, and better skin glowing, hair growing. So shout out to you, man.
Enjoy my Holistic Health University, where I give you a detailed protocol for every illness, which is why I posted brand new dramatic client testimonials for every single day for almost 3 years straight. I never miss a day. Weekly video Zoom consultations with me personally, plus way more for $1 per day, $29.99 per month. All the stuff I can't talk about on here without getting flagged.
Salutations, I'm Wallace Carter. Wanted to jump on here real quick and take a moment to share with you my experience with TwalkDaHulk's 30-day detox and reset program. Since starting the program, my health has dramatically improved. I've started using iron tonic, drinking Mountain Valley spring water, and eating a plant-based diet. I've dropped about 36 pounds, going from 236 pounds to 200 pounds. Not only that, my A1C has improved from 8.2 to about 6.3. My blood pressure has improved from 145/85 to 125/72. The best part is I feel great. I have so much energy and I don't need meds anymore. TwalkDaHulk's program is amazing. The detox part of the program is a game changer. So if you're looking to improve your health, drop some weight, and feel amazing, this program is definitely the way to go. Shout out to TwalkDaHulk. I appreciate you, my brother.
Hey, what's up? My name is David Gardner. I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes. I was able to get my glucose level down from 134 to 87. So I'm in the normal range now. My blood pressure was high. I got that down. Also, I was low on vitamin D. I got that back up, and I was weighing about 240. Now I'm about 205. I followed the protocol. I ate the fruits. I drank the water. I drank the iron tonic, and now I'm, getting back to it as far as my living healthy. And even if I slipped up a little bit, I got back to it and, still regained my healthiness. So I appreciate it, and the protocol did work.
My name is Martin Jr. I am from San Bernardino, California. I was watching the Hulk Fitness after I was diagnosed with diabetes 2. And I checked, I said, I ain't got nothing to lose. Within 6 weeks, I was able to reverse diabetes 2. I have paperwork to prove it. I will make it part 2. And I've been having more energy. I've been walking ever since. I've been walking an hour every day. I've been feeling great. I have way more energy. And my mother was able to go from diabetes 2 to pre-diabetes and no longer needs medication. So I just want to say thank you, mad love and respect, my brother, and keep doing your thing. I want everybody to go support him. You ain't got nothing to lose by trying or listening to his content. Like, we need to protect this guy at all costs, man. We need to help him blow up his channel, get his information out there. Mad love and respect, my brother. Thank you.